Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for WhatsApp for the first time. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to WebTech tutorial yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us, since you'll be notified as soon as you post a new video. To sign up to WhatsApp, first, make sure you've downloaded WhatsApp on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and download WhatsApp by typing WhatsApp on the search box. After you find the search result, simply tap on download and download it on your device. After it is done, simply tap it open. This is how it will look like. Tap on agree and continue to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now you'll need to register. Select your country from the drop-down list and choose your country from the list. After you are done selecting, type in your phone number. Now tap on the next button after you are done. To receive your verification code via SMS or a phone call, tap on the OK button. Wait for the code to arrive. As soon as it does, you'll be automatically signed up to WhatsApp. Now you'll need to enter your profile information, that is your name. Simply type in your name. After you are done, you can upload a profile picture of your own by tapping on the camera button and select it from your gallery. After you find the picture you want to upload, simply set your profile picture to the size you want and tap on Done, which is located at the bottom right. As you can see, I've uploaded my profile picture. Now tap on the next button and you have successfully signed up to WhatsApp. To start a chat, tap on the green button on the bottom right. Select any contact and enter the message in the text field. That is how you can sign up for WhatsApp on your Android device. To log into WhatsApp application, make sure you've downloaded WhatsApp on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store if you haven't yet and search for WhatsApp. After you find it, simply tap on the install button to download. Since I have already downloaded it, let me open it by tapping on Open. Now, as soon as you open WhatsApp, you'll see this kind of a screen on your display. To move forward, tap on Agree and Continue. To log into WhatsApp, you'll need to enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, WhatsApp will send an SMS message to verify your phone number. First, enter your country from the drop-down menu. After you're done, enter your mobile number. Right after that, tap on the next button. If you've mistakenly typed a wrong phone number, then you can correct it now. Simply tap on Edit and correct your phone number and tap on the next button. For verification, tap on OK from the pop-up and now wait for the code to arrive. As you can see that your phone number has been verified now. Now to restore your backup from Google Drive, allow WhatsApp the access to your contact. Tap on Continue to allow access and tap on Allow. Allow all of the access. If you want to backup, then tap on Restore. If not, tap on Skip. Now enter your name. You can upload a profile picture by tapping on the camera icon and select a photo from your gallery or take a picture from a camera right now. After you're done, tap on the next button, wait for a moment, and there you go. You are logged into WhatsApp. If you've lost your phone and you're worried about someone else finding your phone and misusing your WhatsApp information, then here's what you can do. From your WhatsApp application chat screen, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner and tap on Settings. From this page, go to Account. Under Account, tap on Two-Step Verification option and simply enable it. Using the two-step verification saves you from your account being compromised, even if someone gets their hands on your SIM card for your verification code. It is a layer of additional security that acts like a password for your WhatsApp account. Tap on Enable button in order to enable the feature. Now go ahead and enter a 6-digit PIN which you'll be asked for when you register your phone number with WhatsApp next time. After you do that, confirm your PIN by typing it again. And on the next page, add an email address to your account, which will be used to reset your PIN if you forget it and safeguard your account. You can tap on skip and skip this process as well, but let me go ahead and type in one of my emails and tap on next button. Go ahead and type in your email one more time to confirm and tap save. The two-step verification is enabled now. Tap on done. Now, if anyone tries to log into your WhatsApp account, then they'll be asked to enter the two-step verification code, and if they don't own the account, they will not know it. That way you can get full control of your account even if you lost your phone number on WhatsApp. Grab your mobile device and from the app list, tap open WhatsApp application. As soon as you reach to the home screen, tap on the three dots located at the upper right. Tap on settings. Now under the settings menu, tap on account. Go to privacy. Under who can see my personal info, select last seen. As you can see that everyone can see your online status on WhatsApp. Now quickly select nobody from the option, and that way no one can see your online status and you'll be successfully hiding your online status on WhatsApp. Note that once you've made this selection, your online status will be visible to just your contact or no one at all. It depends on your selection. Simply tap open your Play Store or your App Store and search for WhatsApp. After you find the app from the search results, if the update is available, then you'll see the update button popping out. Simply tap on update in order to update the app. Wait until it is done, since it might take some time. Wait for it to install on your device. After it is done, tap open the app, and now you have successfully updated your WhatsApp application. You should update WhatsApp application regularly to ensure that you have the latest version running efficiently on your mobile device. Go to your WhatsApp application and tap it open. From the home screen of WhatsApp, go to the three dots located on the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on settings. Now, tap on chats from the settings menu. Tap on backup and your messages will be backed up. Now under Google Drive settings, tap on backup to Google Drive and you can set up the frequency of your chat backup between never, daily, weekly, monthly, and only when I tap backup. Now you'll have to choose the Google account where you'd want to back up your messages. Simply tap on the account. You can even add an account, and after that, tap on backup over and pick if you want to back up your messages over Wi-Fi or cellular. Simply tap on any choice you want. If you want to include videos in the backup, simply enable the button, and that is it. That is how you can back up your WhatsApp messages and files, and even after you deleted any messages on WhatsApp, you'll be able to restore your deleted chat. With this, you have now backed up to WhatsApp and prevented yourself from any kind of a data loss on WhatsApp. To block someone on WhatsApp, you can perform a simple step. You can stop receiving messages, calls, and status updates from certain contacts by simply blocking them. To block a contact, simply go to your app list and tap open WhatsApp. Open a chat with the contact you want to block. Simply tap on it, and at the top right corner, there is a More button. Tap on the More button and tap on View Contact. This is the profile of the contact you want to block. Simply scroll down all the way and tap on Block in order to block the contact. Confirm block by tapping on Block one more time from the pop-up. Wait for a few moments and the contact you are trying to block has been blocked. If you want to unblock the contact, then simply tap on the contact, go to the contact profile and scroll down all the way again and simply tap on unblock. That is how you can block and unblock someone on WhatsApp. Before you block someone, keep in mind that the messages, calls, and status updates sent by the blocked contact won't show up on your phone and will be never delivered to you. Blocking a contact won't remove them from your contact list, and in order to delete a contact, you must delete the contact from your phone address book. That is all for today. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.